Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. So I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do a review on these newest prop firms in the industry. So actually, the owner of this prop firm is a trader, is a forex trader, and I subscribe to his channel on YouTube. So he used to review other prop firms. So actually, this one you have to trust this one because this guy is a forex trader just like us. So, and the other thing about this new prop firm guys, this one prices of these prop firms they are low guys. This is one of the cheapest one. It's one of the cheapest one in the industry guys. Best spreads and commission payouts in the industry. View our challenges, spreads, payout systems, and benefit below to see how we can help you. So, let me go through, guys. Let me go through. Okay. Get started with three simple steps. Okay, number one, challenge. We keep our challenge as simple as possible so you can focus on your trades. Maximum 50 days and zero minimum trading days. You advance as soon as you complete the trading objective below. So second one is verification. That is phase two. Now make your time with up to 100 days. So you are given 100 days here to complete the challenge because the phase two is one of the difficult one. You might say, okay, this one is a difficult one, but the second phase is one of the difficult one. So most of the traders that are trading with problems, they will tell you the truth. They will tell you that, okay, what I'm saying is true. So take your time with up to 100 days and zero minimum trading days. Once the trading objectives are completed, you will automatically be upgraded to a fully funded account. And phase two, which one is a funded trader, guys? You will be given a funded live account. So now you have fully funded smart prop trader. Congratulations! Continue to trade consistently and responsibly to qualify for up to a 90% profit split with account scaling up to 2.5 mil. So, so get started. So now trading objectives of these are prop firms. So now the trading period is 50 days. There is no more 40 days. It's 50 days in phase one. Phase two, you are given 100 days. And step three, indefinite. So you can take as many days as you like. So minimum trading days, there's no minimum trading days. If you finish it today, tomorrow, or the next day, you move to the next stage. So now trading leverage. The leverage here is good also, guys. The 1 to 100 is also fine. Yeah, it's good. Because most of the other prop firms, they give 1 to 30, 1 to 10, and stuff like that. So this prop firm, they will give you enough leverage, guys. So as you can see, maximum daily loss on a 10K. It's a 10K. As you can see, 10K account, 25K, 50K, 100K, and 200K. So now on the 10K, okay, maximum daily loss is 400. Maximum daily loss is 400 US dollar. And maximum loss is 750. 750 and 750. So here the profit target now. Profit target is 750. The target is low here, guys. Oh, second one, phase two, it's 500. So refundable fee is 75, guys. 75, guys. Most of the other prop firms, they charge 150 euro. Some of them, they charge 80 something. This one is just 75, guys. This one is just 75. And this one is a refundable fee. Once you get to this stage, which is phase three, at a live account, you will be given your money back that you spent, guys. You will be given your money that you spent. So, but you will not use my coupon code to receive a discount on each purchase that you make. Every purchase that you make, use my discount coupon code in the video description. I will also put it in the video comment section, guys. use that link, use my affiliate link, guys, so that you will receive a discount. So now, on the 25K, let's look at the 25K. So minimum, as I said, trading period 50 days, 100 days, minimum days 0. So maximum daily loss of here at a 25K, it's 1,000 US dollar. So now, okay, maximum leverage is 1 to 100. So maximum loss is 1 to 1.8, guys, 1.8. That is the 25K. Profit target is 1.8. So refundable fee is 175. Guys, this prop firm is cheap, guys. As I said, this prop firm is owned by a forex trader. And this guy used to review other prop firms on YouTube. I subscribe to his channel on YouTube. If you want to see his channel, if you want to see his channel where he review other prop firms, I will drop a comment in the comment section, guys. If you would like me to drop his uh his channel link, guys, or the name of the channel in the video comment, I mean in the comment section. Drop a comment down below, guys, if you would like me to drop it there. So now here the refundable fee is 175 US dollar, guys. It's a refund, guys. You once you get to the second to the third stage, you will receive a refund of the money that you spend, guys, of the money that you spend to buy this challenge, guys. So now the 50K maximum daily loss is 2K, maximum loss is 3.7, profit target is 3.7. This one, guys, this one you can pass this challenge easily, because look at this, huh? Profit target is just 3K. 3K, guys. So the refundable fee is 275, guys. Look at this 50K, even a 50K costing 275, guys. It's a refundable fee, guys. This one is one of the cheapest one. This one is one of the cheapest one. Better than my forex funds even. When it comes to prices, it's better than my forex funds, as you can see here. Now let's come to the 200K or to 100K. The 100K maximum daily loss is 4K, maximum loss is 7K, 7.5K, profit target is 7.5. In this phase 2, it's 5K. Refundable fee is 475. This one is the cheapest one, guys. This one is the cheapest one in the industry currently. As I said, this one is owned by the forex trader himself. Forex trader himself. So maximum daily loss of this 200K is 8K. Maximum loss is 15K. Profit target is 15K. In the phase 2 is 10K. Refundable fees 875, guys. Cheap, guys. Cheap, guys. Just compare to other prop firms. Compare these prices to other prop firms. Use my link and discount coupon. I will drop it in the video description, so that you can get a discount. When you will not pay this amount if you use my link and my discount coupon, guys. So, guys, this one is one of the cheapest prop firms in the industry, guys. Everything in one place. Fair evaluation. All trading styles are welcome. All trading instruments are available. FX available, crypto available, indices available, commodities available, broker 8 cap. They are using 8 cap as a broker. So they are like the funded trader. Key highlights your account. First, choose the smart prop trader account size that perfectly suit your trading style and needs. Smart prop trader accounts have no restrictions on holding positions over the weekend or trading during microeconomic release news. That is the good thing, guys. Some of the prop firms, they won't allow to hold over the weekend or trade during news releases. Scaling plan. Our goal is for long-term businesses relationship with you. If you manage to be consistent and profitable, we will increase the balance of your Smart Prop Trader account by 25% every 4 months according to the scaling plan. Free trial, guys. That is the good thing, guys. These guys, they are like E8 and the FTMO when it comes to free trial. You will get a free trial just to test out the platforms, guys, the spreads and everything. Hmm? You will get a free trial. You won't pay anything. It's a free trial just to test out the platforms and the spreads and commissions and the others, guys. If you are still not sure if this is for you, you have the option to try out the process completely for free. The free trial account is a shortened version of the Smart Pro Trader Challenge with the same trading conditions, guys. Go apply for a free trial and check it out, guys. The default payout ratio for all smart prop traders is set to 80-20. However, an 80% say is not where we draw the line. If you meet the conditions of our scaling plan, not only do we increase the balance of your trading Smart Prop Trader account by 25%, their payout ratio will also automatically change to a staggering 90-10, 90 to 10. So all Smart Prop Trader can request payout on demand. The payout can be processed just after 14 days, but you have also the ability to choose your own profit split days, which can be even changed up to 3 times. In conclusion, we make sure that you will always receive your withdrawals on your most convenient days. That is good, guys. So far, I don't have anything negative about this prop firm, guys. Compare your options, guys. Compare your options now. Here is where you can compare. You just go on their website, then you compare, guys. Prices, diary drawdown, profit split, minimum trading days, evaluations, time period for evaluation, and all that, guys. You can see here my for my FX funds. My FX fund, you compare it to the smart prop firm. So let's check at FTMO, guys. Price for this one at 100K account, guys. At smart prop, it's 475 US dollar. But here price is 553. Check the price, guys. Minimum trading days is 10 days. This one, there is no minimum trading days. So payout split 80 to 20. Maximum daily loss, maximum drawdown, daily is 4%, and total is 7. That is where my forex is. I mean, FTMO is better than the smart prop trader. So hold on weekends, you can hold your look at the profit targets, guys. Look at the profit targets. Look at the profit targets, guys. Target is 7. Phase 1 is 7.5, guys. It's achievable, guys. Look at FTMO. It's 10%, guys, instead of this 7.5. Now the second phase is 5%. Second phase is 5%. So, guys, this one is a game changer, guys. This one is a game changer. As you can see, this one is a game changer, guys. You can change. They have a Discord also available for all the traders, guys. They have a or Discord available for all the traders. So the company uh from US, guys. This smart prop trader is from the US. As you know, US based prop firms, they are well regulated, guys. They are well regulated. They are well regulated, guys. As you can see, they are well regulated, these guys. So let's look at Trust Pilot now. Let's look at the feedbacks of other traders who are already using these new prop firms. So the smart prop trader, as you can see here on the Trust Pilot, it's a verified company. As you can see, you must check here if it's the company is verified. It's verified. They have a 4.7 rating. Their rating is excellent. They have 514. As I said, they are new in the industry. That's why they have a low uh, ratings. So now they reply to 66% of negative review. That is very important, guys. That is very important. When you go to this Trust Pilot, you have to check for those things. So now customer service friendly and helpful. Customer service is great and knowledgeable, very friendly. Raquel was an awesome customer service agent and helped me out. Also friendly and even said free to contact again if needed. Made me feel comfortable to ask questions as a beginner and upcoming traders. But Prop Trader is a great company. So now let's get to the next one. I'd love to say that this film by Blake I love to say that this film by Blake is doing good for community. I love, yeah, the guy, the owner of this prop film is Blake with the other guy that is on the channel that I used to review prop films. These two guys, Blake is also the owner of the Funded Trader guys. The Funded Trader, as you know, the Funded Trader is one of the best guys. Hmm? Is doing good for community. I love the idea of approaching to community through Twitter, although it's emerging, but it is good customer support. As Madhu and Esla Jude were very responsive and helped me throughout the process. Looking forward to get funded and have podcast with Blake. Hmm. Now let's look at the excellent customer service experience from SPT. Great so far. Quick and attentive customer support who will do their best to answer questions to answer inquiries. I want to mention Raquel who was very helpful and efficient and sort out my login issues with system. So you can go through guys through all of them. Now let's look at this negative one. Let's look at this negative one. So I had done the payment of 37 for the two face challenge account. The payment was successful from my side. Money was deducted. I sent them invoice or they say we will work on that and they are very rude to me on the Discord customer chats. I have all the proof of chats and transaction details. So let's look at the other one. This is the best film I have ever seen. This is the best film I have seen more, especially with the support team. Steve was very helpful and he constantly update you when you put in a request for something. Very nice guy and very supportive 24/7. For me, having a great support is one of the factors I would consider to join a book film first. It's a great and that keep up the good work, especially Steve. So, guys, I went through everything, guys. I went through. So now let me get back to the prop firms. Let me quickly there. Maybe there are some stuff that I didn't touch. So now looking at this one, okay, there is one. Oh, where did I didn't touch? Where did I didn't touch? I think I'm done. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, guys. If you have received any valuable information from this video, guys, hit that like button, guys. Comment down below what questions are you having. Subscribe to the channel, guys, so that I can keep making this content, guys, for you for free, guys. Most of the other traders or mentors they are charging for this certain information in their forex courses and other stuff. I don't sell courses, I don't sell signals, I don't do mentorship, guys. I'm doing this for free. Join our free telegram group. It's available for everyone. You don't pay a cent to be part of the group. So guys, let me just quickly go check at the FAQ. You can just go check here if you want to go through the FAQs. If you want to go to the FAQs, you can just check here and check, okay, which one, what are the questions frequently